Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. My name is Kevin Brown with All-Star Medical, and I want to show you some common questions we get on hospital bed rails and how to handle them by either taking them completely off or raising them up or down. Most of your hospital beds, your standard ones that are made by either Invacare, Pro Basics, Medline, any of those manufacturers out there, they're very standard. There's not a ton difference in the rails and how they attach. For instance, this is a Pro Basic model, which is Compass Health Brands. And what you do here to raise this up or down, there's a lever here that you just grab and it will slide up or down. And then it will hook back in place. They call these half rails, okay? A lot of people want to know how to take this off if they're moving the bed or something like that. And so this little lever here allows you to take this off, okay? And so that's what this knob is for. You just want to get it a little loose, and it's hooked right here. So see how that actually goes underneath the bed and this goes on top. And so what you do is you set it just like this back in there, get it in place, and then start tightening back up. And it will lock itself back in place for your half rail. Now again, these are attached, so they do have some wiggle on them. No matter how much you tighten them, you're gonna always have wiggle room with these half rails or even full rails on a standard hospital bed. But hopefully this little tip helps you take them off and on when needed. It's just something that we get common calls about, and it's something we thought we'd make a video to help people out. So hopefully this can benefit you. If you ever need any hospital bed equipment or anything like that, give us a call at 615-730-9438. You can also find us online at allstarmedicalllc.com. We appreciate it. Thanks, and have a great day.